Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to create an AI-generated video from an online article. Let's get started. First, search for the article you want to convert to video and copy its link. Secondly, open ally.io. You can also use the link provided in the description below. If you don't have an Ally account, click on the login button or click on Try Ally for free. Fill out the details and verify your email to create the account. Once you have created the account, you'll see this dashboard. Click on Generate from URL and paste your article link. Here, choose your video template and click on the Create Video button. Wait for the video generation process to complete. Once your video template is ready, you can either render it or customize the design. You can edit or remove video parts, change the position or background. You can also change avatar or avatar style, and voiceover style. You can also use stock videos and images for your video components or background. To set an image or video as a background, simply add the item to the design and click on Apply as Background. For video background, it's recommended to turn on the loop option. Let me complete the video customization before we move on to the next step. You can also add music to your video from the stock audio provided by the website. After everything is set up, click on the Render button to start rendering your video. It may take several minutes to complete. Once the rendering process is finished, you will receive an email with a download link. Open the email and download your video. Here's the video result from this tutorial.
Midjourney is an independent research lab that has developed an advanced artificial intelligence program called Midjourney. The Midjourney tool is currently in open beta since July 12, 2022, and has already gained a lot of attention.
Using Midjourney is simple and user-friendly. Users can create impressive artwork by using Discord bot commands, making it a popular choice for artists and designers. Try out Midjourney today to unleash your creativity.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and info. See you in the next video.